Handling categorical variables has never been easier with Feature Engine's robust set of encoders. Feature Engine supports the most common encoding methods like one-hot encoding and ordinal encoding, and it also has variations of those methods, like for example encoding only the most frequent categories or ordering the number of the labels based on the target mean. With Feature Engine, you can also replace categories with its count or frequency, and you have access to more advanced options to encode categories, like for example using the target mean value per category with or without regularization, or replacing categories with the weight of the evidence. Feature Engine also features transformers to replace categories with the outputs of decision trees, and you can also group rare categories into more cohesive groups to avoid the pain of overfitting or lack of knowledge about how to preprocess rare categories. The encoding method from Feature Engine allows you to transform categorical data into a format that is suitable to train machine learning models, enhancing their performance as well with the right encoding. So check it out, let us know how you find it, and don't forget to like or share this video to help us spread the word. Thank you!